You know, Aaron, of course, we are in the thick of earnings season. I think 72 S&P companies reporting this week. Here's the thing. Those that miss really get hammered, and I think a lot of times it's an exaggeration. Help out our viewers. Let's say you're a viewer and you hold the stock, you really like it, the earnings were in line, right? Maybe even they beat by a penny. Nevertheless, Wall Street hammers the stock. How do you grapple with that? When do you decide, okay, I'll sell, or I'll ignore Wall Street's initial reaction because I still think it's a good company? How do you make that determination?
Yeah, so the companies that are most vulnerable to, meet or misses, because really meet obviously is a miss in Wall Street terms, are companies that are already in negative momentum, and they're going to get hit doubly hard if they miss, and it's probably going to continue. So I would say, any stock that hasn't participated in the October rally that's already been down, earnings season is most likely going to continue to bring them down. Another thing is if they've missed multiple times in the past 3 quarters, and maybe this is like the fourth quarter that they miss, if they're having a repetitive history of not being able to operate coming out of the pandemic, it's another reason to say, my investment thesis is wrong. Mm-hmm. It's time to get out. And those are the companies that have gotten most beaten up, obviously very early in the earnings season, but they're the most vulnerable, and they're the ones you really want to think about getting out. Okay. The companies that, if they miss and they're still going up, they're most likely going to continue to go up.
Yeah, great points, and I think that's the kind of actionable help that a lot of viewers. What do you like here before we let you go?
So I'm sticking with large caps, even though we're seeing and obviously a rally, and you might think that people are taking like higher risk. I'm not getting aggressive, and I'm not moving into riskier asset classes. We really see that people are focusing on large caps. So I'm all about growth at a reasonable price and looking for consistent earnings growth. So high quality. Right. As well as a reasonable price.
All right, Uma Paturkany, I'm getting closer and closer. And Aaron Gibbs, I think I nailed that a long time ago. Ladies, fantastic stuff, and we really